Why having a side hustle is beneficial for your career. Not everyone's willing to juggle a side hustle with a full-time job. This is especially true for time-intensive and mentally stressful jobs. However, there are certain benefits from side hustling that may help you appreciate your day job even more. Stay tuned to this presentation to find out about these benefits. Number 1. It provides a creative outlet. When you have a job that pays well but doesn't provide you with much leeway for creativity, then you may slowly start feeling burnt out. Eventually, you may even come to dread or hate your job. However, if you have a side hustle that lets you harness that creativity, then you'll feel so much better at work. For instance, if you love photography, then you can go on walks during the weekends and take pictures of whatever strikes your fancy. You'll feel more in touch with yourself, and you'll eventually feel your negative feelings towards your job dissipate. Number 2. Learn new skills. When you've got a side hustle that will help develop your new skills, then you may be able to put those skills to good use. For instance, you may find that your new side hustle skill may help you solve problems at your day job much quicker. For example, let's say you build websites as a side hustle. You're constantly tinkering around with code and graphics to make your sites look great. One day, you realize just how bad your company's website is when it comes to user experience. So, thanks to the skills you picked up at your side hustle, you're able to give valuable suggestions to your company's web developers. Number 3. Rediscover your passion for your job. No matter how much you love your job right now, there will probably come a time where you'll start to take it for granted. You won't enjoy your job anymore. You'll feel like you can do your job even with both your eyes closed. Now, if you have a side hustle that lets you pursue your creative talents, then you may rediscover your passion and appreciation for your job. This is especially true when you realize just how difficult having a side hustle is. You learn to appreciate your job again simply because it helps bring food to the table without causing you too much stress.